Hi, in this video, I will be showing you how to fix NVIDIA Error Code 43 on Windows. The error may appear like so. When it says, Windows has stopped this device because it has reported problems code 43. To fix this, the first thing you may try is to go on your Windows icon, right-click on it, go on Device Manager. When this opens, go under your NVIDIA graphics card, right-click, then click on Update Driver. Then you can say Browse My Computer for drivers. Let you pick on your own list. Then click on the previously working driver, click Next and install it. And another way is to update the NVIDIA graphics drivers. What you have to do, just open your browser, then type in NVIDIA. Click on the first link. Once this opens, go under drivers. Here you have to pick your specific NVIDIA graphics card. Just select which one it is, and after you do that, click on Find. When this opens, you can download either these two, the Game Ready driver or the NVIDIA Studio driver. I'll give for an example, the Game Ready driver. Just click on View, and once this opens, click on Download and install it. And you're done.